So in today's video I'm going to share some really healthy skincare tips for like lazy people like me. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akshada and here's the another video. So today's video is going to be about some skincare tips which are like really useful and really handy and extremely useful when it comes to lazy people taking care of their skin. So in today's video I'm going to share some healthy skincare tips which are equally useful to both men and women. So let's start the video. So it's like when it comes to skincare, the very first step you need to pay attention is treating your skin as gently as you can. So when you need to take care of your skin as gently as possible, by that I mean you need to be very light, very delicate with the way the very first step is body brushing. I know body brushing does not come when I'm especially talking about taking care of skin by when you're lazy to take care of it. So but yes, body brushing is extremely useful and it will make your skin look younger than it is. So body brushing is basically brushing your dry skin with that dry bristle brush towards the direction of your heart, like basically in upward direction, which delays the natural aging process, plus get rid of your dead skin cells and promotes new cells growth. So body brushing is extremely useful and extremely healthy process which you are supposed to do before taking bath. So yeah, at least I will suggest you at least do body brushing once or twice a week when you literally have little time, and it hardly takes 5 to 10 minutes to dry brush your body. So I'll suggest you to give it a chance. So next step you need to pay attention to is limit your bath time. You just cannot take long bath with extremely hot water. So yeah, take your bath as short as it can, and limit your bath time. Pay attention to the temperature of water. Also avoid using strong soap, like the soaps with like extreme chemicals in it, so avoid using them. And also use loofah. Loofah is basically a SpongeBob kind of thing which you use while taking showers. So it just helps you to get rid of that dead skin cells, which is extremely helpful. So these are the 4 points you need to pay attention while taking bath. Like limit your bath time, do not use strong soaps, check the temperature of your water before actually taking bath, and finally use loofah. So after taking bath, it is equally important to use cotton or microfiber towel. You don't go for any other fabric because they are not friendly to your skin and it leads to damage in the future. So I'll suggest you to use good fabric towel and dry yourself totally before put on clothes. So after taking bath, I'll suggest you to use rose water on your slightly damp face, because you must be using like expensive toners or some kind of other kind of treatments, but instead of that I'll suggest you to use rose water on your damp face. It has naturally healing properties and so many other tremendous good qualities as well. So do not forget to use rose water. So next step is like very easy. After using rose water or any kind of toner on your face, you need to moisturize. No matter what season or what weather it is, you need to moisturize your skin like on daily basis. If you are really tired and you don't want to still like feel sticky and all, but still I'll suggest you to use moisturizer at least once in your day, either in the in the day or at the night, but do use moisturizer at least once in your day. So the second main topic I'm going to start now is about protecting yourself from the sun. Yeah, because generally we do not spend our entire days in the home. So to protect your skin from sun, you obviously need to wear sunscreen, which I'll suggest you to do not use directly on your skin. First use moisturizer and then only use sunscreen. So while buying sunscreen, try to experiment with, I know you cannot just go to the market and select the perfect sunscreen for you, but yes, try different sunscreen and then decide which is good for your skin. So do not forget your sunscreen. Use sunscreen whenever you are stepping out, or even inside your home if you are comfortable using it, and avoid direct sun contact with your skin. If possible, do not step outside in between 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. because that is the time when sun rays are really strongest. To protect your skin, and you can also use protective clothing, which is equally important. So protective clothing plays like really important role when it comes to taking care of your skin from the sun rays or protection from the sun. So by protective clothing I mean wear clothes which covers most of portion of your body, and use light color. Do not go for darker colors like black and all. Use cotton fabric, or you can say any fabric which is natural organic fabric which is good for your skin. So next big topic, which is actually small, I'm not going to talk about it much because it's all about eating healthy and drinking lots of water. By eating healthy, I mean eat foods which are high in antioxidants like fruits or green leafy vegetables or nuts. So yeah, even fish. So eat fruit or food which are high in antioxidant, and also drink plenty of water. Yeah, hydrating yourself is like equally important, and you can say the most important thing of our all kind of routine. It's very simple. It's like, you want good hair, drink water. You want to lose weight, drink water. You want to stay healthy, drink water. So water is equally like, corresponding with everything in your life. So yeah, staying hydrated plays a very important role in our day-to-day lives. So it's really important to wash your face before sleeping, because your skin is breathes at night and is naturally repairing itself and going through a lot during we were sleeping. So yeah, it's important to wash your face before sleeping and using good clean sleeping mattresses and obviously pillow covers. So last but not least, I'm going to talk about is sleep. Watch your sleeping pattern. Yes, pay attention to your sleep, take enough sleep, and also manage your stress. You can indulge yourself in the activities you actually like, and obviously try to manage your stress. So getting enough sleep and managing your stress is equally important when you want to have healthy skin, hair, and healthy lifestyle as well. I hope this my little skincare tip video will going to be like useful to you in your future and obviously now as well. So yeah, that all were like extremely honest and the things which I follow normally, and they are definitely their result is amazing. So I'll suggest you. They were like very basic but extremely useful. So yeah, give it a shot, do try them, try at least few of them. So thank you so much for watching this video, and do not forget to like and share this video with all your friends, and kindly subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.